Hi, my name is Derek, and today I'm going to be presenting our group learning task for algorithm and complexity. Our group number is group number 8. Members are Christian JTV and me, Derek Emmanuel J. Marco. So, our program for today focuses all about divide and conquer. And what our program does is that it divides the factors of a state. So basically, it will just divide, or it will show how many states would be divided if we have inputted a certain uh, geo demography, geography, socioeconomic, behavioral qualities, and governance. So if we input a bunch of numbers here, we will be able to see how much state would that numbers compile into. So it's better if I show you. So first is let me just input for demography. Let's put 100. And then as for geography, let's put 75. Then socioeconomic, let's put 50. And as for behavioral, let's put 40. And then for the number of governors, let's put 10. Now, if once I enter this should uh, output the number of states that would be divided. So if I enter, it divided state X into region or 7 regions. So basically what happens here is that this here got divided into one, each of these got, these four got divided into 100, and then divided, then the amount of this, compiled it together or added together, then divided to 4 times the amount of governor. That's why we got 7. Let's do another one. So for the our second example, let's put something different this time. Instead of 100, let's put 71, and then 59, 99, 33, and as for the number of governors, let's put 18 this time. This should make 12, 12 state regions since we inputted 18. So all of these get divided into 100, then divided into 4, then times the 18, which resulted into 12. So that divided this into 12 regions. Let's do another one. So this time, let's put a much less amount for demography. Let's put 68. Then, as for the geography, let's put 56. Then for socioeconomic, let's put 82. Behavioral, let's put 62. And as for the amount of governors, let's put 13. So as you can see, it divided it into 9 state region. Again, all of these four got divided into 100, added together, then divided it into 4, and then times the amount of governor, which we get 9. Okay, so how many was that? I made 3 examples. Let's do 2 more. This time, let's try to make something different. So let's put 94.0. So this time I put a decimal point. So as you can see, it didn't get error. I'll talk about all the errors later on. Next is let's put 75.5. Next is, let's put 99, just plain old 99, then 90, and as for the amount of governors, let's put 8. So it still got trumped into 8 regions. So this one matters, it doesn't matter as long as its numbers. This one matters the most since it will get divided into the, or it will get times into the amount of governors. Let's do one last example, shall we? So for our last input example, let's put 93.5, enter, then 55, no actually 56.1, enter, and then 26. No, actually let's put 29 instead, and then 60, and then let's put 4. So as you can see, it made 3 regions. So now we've made a couple of regions. Let's talk about the errors or potential errors of this thing. So first, what if I enter a string? So if I put my name in here, as you can see, it will get catch and it will say invalid input. Please try again. What if I put special characters, for instance? Well, same thing. So as long as it's a string or anything in between, it won't get entered. It should only be a string. One more thing, this should not be more than 100 because if I do, or if it is more than 100, it will also say invalid input. Please try again, and also not under 100, none under 1. So enter -1. Please try again. So yeah, as long as it's inside the 1 to 100, it will work. So we can input as many or as anything in here as long as it's an integer or a float. So yeah, as you can see. So as long as it's not any of these, it will work. So that's our program for divide and conquer. Thank you for watching group number 8, and that's all. Thank you for watching.